Hey you guys, welcome back to Finds and Food with Friends. So today what I'm going to be working on is building a cabinet to house my trash can for my bathroom, or for my kitchen, I'm sorry. So what I'm going to be using is a bunch of scrap pieces of wood, and let me show y'all what that. So that's all my scrap wood that I'm going to build the frame out of. Then I have a piece of my teak wood butcher block countertop that was left over. So this is going to become the top of it. And then I'm also going to more of that faux barnwood along the sides and back of it to kind of tie into the decor that I have going on with my rustic farm style kitchen. And then I'm also going to be attaching some rolling casters on it. That way I can kind of move it around and use this as, or use this piece as the additional prep space, cutting board, or anything else that I might need it for while I'm cooking. Alright, so let me go ahead and get some measurements done and get some pieces cut, and I will be back once we start assembling things. Alright you guys, so I just wanted to kind of come back and show y'all one side of the frame that I've got done. So basically, what I've done is I have measured from the top of the countertop that's going to go on top of here to what I'm going to be using as the base, and then I've created a frame for the two sides. Like this is going to be one side, I'm going to make another one for the other side. But basically what I've done is I've cut all the pieces to size, and then I have taken some screws, some 3.5-inch screws, and I have stabilized those in there. So as y'all can see, this is not going anywhere. Now we're going to go build the other side of this, and then from there we'll start working on the assembly. Alright you guys, so I have my base built for my trash can cabinet. Let me go ahead and show y'all what that looks like. So as y'all can see, it's just basically a rectangular structure. And if y'all hold on a second, let me go ahead and get the top and I'll show y'all how that's gonna go on there. Alright, so that's it with the top on it. Now we're going to go ahead and build the base that this is going to sit on, that I'm going to have caster wheels put in. So that way it can kind of roll around the kitchen. And then what we'll be doing is the faux barnwood on the sides and on the back, just to kind of give it a cohesive look in my kitchen. Alright you guys, so what I've done next after I've put the frame together is I've gone ahead with some boards to the bottom to create the base that's going to hold my trash can. And what I've decided to do is take the top and attach hinges. That way the top just kind of opens and closes. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover this with the faux barnwood. And I haven't decided if I want to epoxy the countertop yet, or if I just want to leave it as like a cutting board. Alright you guys, so I've got the frame assembled. I've already started going ahead and assembling the rest of it. So what I've gotten done is I've gone ahead and added some boards to the bottom. And then I went ahead and screwed the top on. And then I've also gone ahead and added those caster wheels. So now it is fully functional. I can go ahead and move it inside if I want to right now, but I do want to kind of get it finished up. But so far, this is what it's coming or turning out to be. And again, this is all made out of scrap wood. So this is all just different pieces of scrap wood that I've had laying around. So I'm almost done assembling it, but I kind of wanted to show y'all exactly what I'm doing for the side pieces. So is a board from an old fence, and what I've been doing is just cutting it down. So I've cut it down into 16 3/4 1-inch long sections. And then from here, we're just going to go ahead and clean it up a little bit just by using our sander. And I'll just kind of show y'all real quick. So then once we got the whole thing clean, we're going to do both sides. We come over to the cart. And we're going to be attaching them to the cart like so. I'm going to drill 2 holes in each, well, 4 holes in each piece. And then I'm going to nail them in. And I will show y'all what the finished product is. Alright, you guys, so I have finally finished my little project. Again, this is going to be like a mobile kitchen island that's going to house my trash can. I just have to add the door to it, which I haven't decided what I want to do yet, but here it is. So again, this is all just made from scrap pieces of wood that I had just had laying around. I added some casters, and then I just put a clear coat of varnish on those sanded pieces of wood that I'd used on the side panels. So let me know what y'all think. Any ideas for what kind of a door can go up front. And thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification. And again, thank you all so much for watching and for being a part of my healing journey. Thank you.